Hi everyone, today I'm sharing this Bona all-purpose cleaner in the lavender white tea scent. I have used Bona products for a long time and I really love this brand. I already use some of their other cleaning products around my house. So when I saw this lavender scent, I wanted to give it a try because lavender is one of my favorite scents. For me, the most important thing about this product is that it's made with plant-based ingredients and it's safe to use around the house. The cleaner is designed for multiple surfaces including tops, sinks, mirror, windows, stainless steels, tile and more. It can clean very easy all the grease, the mess from the countertop, and also what I like is that the surface after that it's streak-free. Now I'm gonna clean the handles of the fridge. As you can see, there are many fingerprints on the handles, so I will spray and then you see how nice. And also what I like is the smell. After I clean with this, the house smells so nice. If you're already a fan of Bona products, like I am, and you're looking for a multi-surface cleaner with a pleasant scent, this is definitely worth trying.